This is question 3 on your AS level, Edexcel, June 2022. So you have a triangle PQR, such as PQ is this vector here, PR is this vector here, and we need to find QR. So if you have any triangle, and I would do a sketch, even if it's not accurate, to see what you have. So you have PQR, and they give you PQ, so this vector here, and PR, this vector here. And they ask QR, so this one here. Yeah. So we know just from the drawing that QR is going to be QP plus PR. QP is minus PQ. So this is like having PR minus PQ. We have the coordinates of or the components of both of them. So have PR is 13 minus 15, and PQ is 3, 5. So this is going to be 10 I minus 20j. Yeah, we can use either notation in all of these questions, independently of what they give you. Unless they tell you to write in a particular notation, it doesn't matter. You can use this column notation or this notation, or work in one and give your answer in the other. It doesn't matter. So this is A, and B, they say, hence find the magnitude of that vector, giving your answer in a simplified short. So we are going to do, remember, magnitude of a vector, square root of the components squared. So I have 10 squared plus minus 20 squared. So we have root of 100 plus 400 is root of 500. We simplify. 500 is 5 times 100, so the 100 can be outside, just doing the root, so 10 root 5, and we cannot simplify more than that. Then point S lies on the line segment QR, so somewhere here, so that QS to SR is 3, 2. 3 to 2. So we have to find, we can do roughly where that point is. So this is divided in 5, roughly. I'm not going to do that for sure. 5. And this point P is, QS is 3. QS, so from here, QS is 3, 1, 2, 3, and then QSR is 2. So yeah, my point would be here, S. They are asking us to find PS, this vector. PS, we can write that is PQ plus QS. And QS is just a proportion of QR. We know QR, and this is going to be 3 out of 5 of QR. Yeah, so we know this vector here. That means that we can say that PS is going to be PQ plus 3 fifths of QS. PQ is 3, 5 plus 3 fifths of QS, and QS is the one that we this is 3 fifths of QR. QR is the one that we found before, so 10 minus 20, and we just multiply. Remember, this scalar goes multiplied by this, so I have 3 plus 6, which is 9, and here I have 5 plus minus 12, right? 5 minus 12, which is minus 7, and that's my vector. I can write that way, or I can write in the other notation. And that's what they ask. They don't ask the magnitude. They ask the vector. Yeah, and that's all with this exam question.